welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because today we're going to do a DIY headboard where we're going to take the old metal frame. I'm going to attach some MDF board that I have left over from a previous project. I'll link right here from a really awesome accent wall that we built. We're going to attach that to the frame, and then I'm going to use leftover flooring that we had to make a really cool wood headboard. Super inexpensive, and then we're just going to finish out the room and tidy it up and make it super cute. I'll break it down price for you, and I'll link everything down below if you would like to check out the items that I used. So hit that like button and please subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. All right, let's go check it out. Well, as you can see, this room is super boring. We're gonna spruce this up. We're not gonna spend very much money. We're gonna keep some of the things we have that I like. I do have a nice new rug here, and I like this bench. But we're gonna make ourselves a new headboard, and we're just gonna spruce this up in here a little bit and make this room look a lot more cozy. All right, so first up, we took off the headboard. We're gonna take it down, and we're gonna get ready to make our new headboard. Man, a beast. Okay, so we have it setting down and we have it all lined up. And next we're gonna screw it to the old bed frame. Okay, so while the paint's drying on the headboard, I got these two nightstands off of Amazon. I think it was $34.99 for two of them, and we're gonna attempt to put them together. Okay, so it turned out really nice. It's not bad. I wouldn't set something super heavy on it, but it'll do the trick. I'm gonna go build the other one really quick, and then we'll go check and see if the paint's dry, and we'll start putting the wood on the headboard. Okay, I brought it inside to dry because it's not all the way dry. I wanted to show you a little bit of what we're gonna do. So I have this flooring, and this is just leftover flooring that I used on my bedroom floors upstairs, and I'm going to attach that to the wood that we now put on our old headboard using some liquid nails, and then I'm probably going to clamp it and let it dry for, probably gonna have to dry for a few hours to really hold up tight. And then I have something so fun we're gonna do. We have some really cool lights we're gonna be attaching. So in the meantime, while this is finishing drying, because I can tell it's still just a little bit damp and I don't want this rubbing on it, well, I have something else we're gonna go do. Okay, so a really cool way that we're gonna do inexpensive art in the room that we're making up is we're gonna go online. I found a bunch of places online, like on Pinterest, that have like free printables. And so we're gonna print off our own artwork and probably go to the Dollar Tree and see if we can get like $1 frames or something to put it in. But let's see what we can find. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a try. This one was free. Let's see what this one's gonna turn out like. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Yep. This is gonna be perfect. Huh. They had frames for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna put the artwork that we printed off in there. Okay, so now that we have the first piece cut, we're gonna go through and I'm gonna cut the rest of them to fit and then we'll glue them down. Okay, so I have all glued down and then now we have the clamps on so that it can, I'm just gonna let it sit and dry. Big shout out to Jason for his help during this part. I needed some extra hands, so that was super helpful. So we'll let this dry and then I'm gonna do the trim around the top and the bottom. Okay, next up we have our white trim here that I've cut at a 45-degree angle in order for it to all fit together at the corners. And now I'm gonna go paint this black. Okay, so we've drilled the holes here in the top, and this is where the little can lights that we order off of Amazon are gonna go. The most expensive part of this whole headboard, light bulbs. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you saw earlier, we have this really bare window in here that has like no window treatments on it other than a blind. So I went to Walmart and I got this super cute curtain rod that we're gonna use. And it seems only $9.96. Like, yeah. And then I bought some really cute curtains that are kind of like the ones that I used in my office, and we're gonna hang them like we did before, where we're gonna go all the way to the ceiling and then all the way to the floor. It really makes it look so much better. So let me show you. Okay, so I got the curtains all hung up, but woo, they're wrinkly, so I'm gonna steam iron them and make them look so much better.
Oh my goodness, you guys, it looks so nice and cozy in here. Our new curtains make our window look so big, and all the greenery. We used a picture that we had before, and I added in these nightstands with the greenery. I already had this cute little sign. This headboard, oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so amazing. Our free artwork with our Dollar Tree frames turned out so cute. I'm gonna put my little Wi-Fi password here for my guest. It looks so adorable. So much more cozy. Wow. Our light bulbs are really bright. I hope you guys liked today's video. I'm gonna have everything linked down below. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks so much, guys.